Hey guys, I've spent a lot of my free time just scrolling through reels and TikToks, and you know, I also have the added bonus that currently I believe the third most popular video on my channel is when I did a little TikTok makeup to following someone else's recreation, and I want to do that today. This time, instead of with the eyes, we'll do it to the base. It's gonna be super fun. You know, gonna have a great time. Let's get started. It's the wrong app. We're just gonna take a looky look on my phone. I have no clue who you are and whose baby that is, but I hope you two are having a good time. Okay, so we're gonna do two. There's one for under the foundation. We're going to put a powder highlight. She used the Huda one, but I'm gonna go with my Beauty Bakery one. And the other is a like a contouring kind of situation. So that's gonna be fun. Super duper fun, guys. Super fun. Let's get started. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's so silly when I see it. Okay, oh. We're gonna prime like normal. Using a sticky base, and then we're gonna get into it. I'll put the real TikTok. Oh, I winked and it fucked up my hair. You know.
Moving at 5 looks hard. Do you know she was wearing like 10-inch?
Her advice in the TikTok is like, use a brighter highlight than your skin. I want to use this palette, but I feel like these are all around my skin tone. We're gonna go with the Nikki Classic. forgot to spray. I forgot to spray my sponge. Ah! I worked through her for a year. I know this is a tinted moisturizer, and if this goes horrifically poorly, I will know not to use a tinted moisturizer for this, but I feel like it's gonna be what it's gonna be generally. So I'm gonna make a foundation on my dress. I'll cry. Okay. I feel dry. I don't know why. Ooh. I guess it's time to clean my sponge. I've never had it bleed foundation back onto me. My goodness. Filthy. Do as I suggest and not as I do. Always wash your brushes. That's right, I didn't conceal under. And you can see why, because my under eyes are very dark. I'm just gonna, do my normal thing. We will get back to where the video was. I just need to. I do like how nice that looks. I don't know. There we go, yeah, I like that better. I just gotta check the primer before we well, this is what I'm using for liquid contour, because I can't find what I was using previously. The 90s supermodel tutorial. I have such a short forehead. bit of interesting feelings that maybe are my fault and not the tutorials. Don't love the way my cheeks look. Also, there's no blush in the supermodel look, so already fail. No. You know, if I was into powdering, she's using loose powder, but I never find that loose powders are loose on me. This is a good use of that Kylie nonsense. Okay. You know, points might have been made. I don't hate this. Don't love my under eyes being, you know, this dry, but I don't hate it. Okay. I don't feel like my highlight is enough. Those are the, I'm gonna ask my mother what she thinks. I'm using this as my blush today, because my face would be everything abandons me. She does use a blush. Alright, my bad. Feels so weird not using my cream bronzer. I feel naked. I'm gonna use a I'm gonna put my setting spray on. I'm gonna rub my What a moment. No, you can't fall apart yet. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna do this every day. Oh god, I gotta fix my baby hair. I look cute. These were cute little different ways to do your makeup, little hacks. Oh my god, I did the highlighter under the skin, which gives me like this movie star like finish. I do love that. And then I did like superstar style like concealer contour, which I also dig. I'm not wearing traditional highlighter, and I also powdered under my eyes, which I never do. So I'm like very like, but I'm matte, but I'm also radiant, and it's a lot. It's something. I can't stop looking for something. I don't know. I like it. You can check out the last time I did a TikTok-ish Reels tutorial kind of thing here. The video here. You can check out my whole 2021 playlist. And the card, you can check out how I did this eye. It's very pretty. I don't know, guys. I feel great. I look great. Super cute. You can subscribe generally where my face is, and if you're like, I just need to converse with her now, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_blush_. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.